Greetings, and welcome to AI Without Borders, where we delve deep into the intricacies of artificial intelligence and explore the impact it has on our world. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that has been generating a lot of buzz in recent years, the fear of AI. As AI continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, many people have expressed concern about its potential impact. In this video, we'll take a closer look at why some people are afraid of AI and why those fears might not be entirely warranted. Let's jump right in. AI has come a long way since its inception in the 1950s. In recent years, we've witnessed a remarkable transformation in AI technology, which has fundamentally changed the way we live and work. AI-powered applications such as self-driving cars, voice assistants, and chatbots have become an integral part of our daily lives. The advent of deep learning has enabled AI to recognize patterns and make decisions based on data, leading to breakthroughs in areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Despite all the positive developments, there are still people who are apprehensive about the impact of AI. There are several reasons why people might be afraid of AI. For starters, some people are concerned about the potential loss of jobs due to automation. With AI's ability to automate tasks and make decisions, there's a fear that AI could replace human workers, leading to massive unemployment. Another reason why people might be afraid of AI is the fear of a technological singularity. This is a hypothetical event where AI surpasses human intelligence and becomes uncontrollable. This fear is fueled by movies and popular culture, where AI is often depicted as a malevolent force that takes over the world. Lastly, some people might fear AI due to its potential to be used for malicious purposes, such as cyber attacks or surveillance. There are concerns that AI could be weaponized and used to inflict harm on individuals or society as a whole. While these fears are understandable, AI may not be as scary as we think. For example, the fear of job loss due to automation might not be as dire as some people imagine. While it's true that AI could automate some jobs, it's also creating new ones. AI requires human oversight and maintenance, and as AI becomes more ubiquitous, the demand for skilled workers who can work with AI will increase. Regarding the fear of a technological singularity, it's important to note that experts in the field believe that this is unlikely to happen in the near future. While AI is advancing at a breakneck pace, it still lacks the ability to think and reason like humans. It's also important to note that many experts are working on developing ethical frameworks and guidelines for AI development to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. Lastly, while the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes is a concern, it's crucial to remember that technology itself is neutral. It's up to us as humans to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically and responsibly. Despite the concerns and fears, AI is already making a positive impact on our world. AI is being used to improve healthcare, from the early detection of diseases to personalized treatment plans. It's also being used to improve education, from personalized learning to language translation. AI is also being used to improve safety, such as in self-driving cars, which have the potential to reduce traffic accidents and fatalities. AI is being used to improve agriculture, from precision farming to predicting weather patterns and improving crop yields. AI is even being used to protect our environment, from monitoring and predicting natural disasters to reducing carbon emissions. Given the potential benefits of AI, it's crucial that we continue to develop AI responsibly. Ethical considerations should be at the forefront of AI development, and we need to ensure that AI is developed in a way that is transparent, trustworthy, and accountable. We also need to ensure that AI is developed with diversity and inclusivity in mind, so that it benefits everyone in society, not just a select few. In conclusion, while the fear of AI is understandable, we need to remember that AI has the potential to make our lives better in countless ways. We need to work together to develop AI responsibly and ensure that it benefits everyone in society. As we continue to explore the capabilities of AI, let's approach it with an open mind and embrace the opportunities it presents. Thank you for watching this episode of AI Without Borders. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest developments in the world of AI.